All right. Good day, viewers. In today's class, I'm going to be showing you on how to use the forex calculators to know the amount of money you're willing to risk per trade. Now, before we dive in, I would like to explain some things briefly about what I've come to realize on some traders. Before you go into the forex market or before you log into your trading terminal, that is your MT5 or MT4 platform, you need to know three basic things before you click your orders, be it a buy or a sell order. When you log into your default platform, first of all, the first thing that should come to your mind when you open your graph, your chart, you should know as a trader where the market is heading to. Is the market moving an uptrend, or is the market going in a downtrend? Or is the market just in a horizontal surface? So these three things are basically the things you need to understand before you place an order on the forex market. Because the trader, if you don't know all these things and you just feel because you want to log into the platform and make some dollars, no, it doesn't work that way. Before you can succeed as a trader or a forex trader, you need to take it as a business and not gambling. Because by the time you gamble it, you end up blowing up your capital. Is that clear? So without wasting so much time, I'll briefly show you a simple technique on how you can use the forex calculators to calculate or know the amount of money you are willing to risk on every trade you carried out. Now, let's start. Okay, here with me is my phone. I'm on the page, my phone's page. Then, if you see right down here, you go to click on the Google Play Store, first of all. Then go on the search icon, search for Forex calculators. You can see it here at the top of the menu. So, click on the Forex calculators. So, when you click it, mine here is already been installed and downloaded. So after you install and download it, you just have to open it. So when you open it, it takes you down to the page on the app. Here you can see we have the stop loss and the take profit. If you want to see all these things in a clear format, click on this menu you have here. Click on this menu at the top left corner here. Then you see where you have the settings, usage tips, premium, position size, stop loss, margin, and the rest of them. Okay. But all I'm more concerned about here is the stop loss and the what? Take profit. So mine here is already been set at the stop loss order and take profit. So I will just have to click this. So it takes me down to the page on the stop loss and take profits. Okay. Now as a trader, you don't know the particular assets you want to trade. So me myself, I choose to trade on gold. Okay. When you click on this instrument, the first one, click on this instrument, you will see all the instruments: gold, euro, USD, Bitcoin against the US dollar, Ethereum against the what? US dollar, and USJPY, GBP USD, USD CHF. Okay? But as a trader, I always trade on gold. I trade other currencies too, but me, I focus more on a particular currency. Because that's what really makes you a good trader. As a trader, you don't, if you're a beginner trader, don't start by trading all the instruments. Look for a particular instrument, trade on it, master it very, very well before you start trading every other instrument, because that's what makes you a good trader. Okay? Don't just because you want to trade, you start trading every instrument you see. Pick one particular instrument you're willing to trade on, target that instrument, and be trading frequently on it. Before you know it, you see the result. So if I click on this gold, you can see here, I've gotten my instrument. Let's assume I want to use a lot size of 0.2. And mind you, these experiments I'm showing you, please, if you want to practice, do not use your real account to practice. I will advise you use your demo account to practice for effectiveness, okay? So I'm using my demo account to show you this practical. So let's assume I'm using 0.2 lot size to trade on this gold, and we assume our entry price is not known. So I have to just delete it. My stop loss order, I don't know, you delete. My take profit price, I don't know, you delete. So now you have to just minimize this. Then you log into your MT4 platform. Log into your MT4 platform. So let's assume we want to sell on this trade. I want to place a sell order on this what? On this trade. As you can see here, the price here is at resistance. So there's every possibility the market will reverse downward. So let's assume I want to place a sell order on this gold. So I have to go to my execution and adjust my lot size to zero point 0.2. You can see it here, right? 0.2. So now you can see what we have here. We have the sell, we have the buy. So like I told you, I want to sell this particular asset. So all you have to do is just have to click on the sell button. Let's assume we want to take two orders. Click on the sell button. Yes, done. Now you're on the live trade. Okay? If you look at the left hand side under this gold, under this XAU USD, you will see the price underneath it. 2383.60. I repeat, 2383.60 is the entry price at which you enter this particular trade. So I will just have to minimize this MT4 platform and go to my calculator and insert 2383.60. 2383.60 to be sure. Let's check it out. 2383.60. That's my entry price. Then the next one, you go to the stop loss price, you minimize, go to the MT4 platform, open your charts. Now, since we're taking a sell order, okay, we are expecting the price to fall down because it's a sell order. Is that clear? So I will place my stop loss price above this entry price. You can see the black button here, 2387.44. I repeat, 2387.44. So let's assume this is where we place our stop loss order. 2387 point what? 40, sorry. 2387.40, not 44. So I'll just have to minimize this and go to my stop loss order. 2387.40. Let's be sure. 2387 point what? 40. That's my stop loss price. And after it, you go to the take profit price. Okay? Take profit what? Price. Now, adjust this cursor down because you are expecting the price to what? To come down. Adjust it down. Supposing you want a profit target of this level, for instance, you can see it. 2375 point what? 04. Okay? 23 what? 75 point what? 04. So you minimize, go back to calculator. 2375 point what? Let's be sure. 0.04. 0.04. Now, after all these are being calculated, I have inserted my instrument, which is gold. I have also inserted my trading size, which is what? 0.2 lot size. And my entry price being 2383.60. My stop loss price, 2387 point what? 40. My take profit price, 2375 point what? 04. Now look at this. We have the long and we have the short. Don't click on what? Long, because you're taking a sell order and not a buy order. So you would click on the short. Okay? If it's a buy order, you click on long. If it's a sell order, you click on short. Now since we are selling, I have to click on short. Then after which you then click on calculate. Right here you can see. Now, ignore other things you're seeing on top. Look at down here, you see where they write risk management, risk amount, gain amount. Okay. Now the risk amount you're seeing here is the amount you as a trader you are willing to risk on that trade you just carried. Okay. So if that trade maybe possibly goes against your favor, then you are expected to lose an amount of exactly $76. But if God willing, the trade goes to your favor and hit your take profit target, you have a gain amount of what? $171. So viewers, this is how you will just use a very simple technique to calculate your the amount of capital or the amount of money you are willing to risk on the trade. So please, this is very important to trader. So if you don't know or have an idea about this, I would advise you watch this video properly, take adequate time to understand how it works, okay? And please, do not use your real account to practice this. Use your demo account for practice, for effectiveness, okay? By the time you try all this, you will come to realize that what I just showed you here is exactly what you've been taught. So if I log in back to my MT4, I set my stop loss price at 2387.40. Come down here, 2387.40. Are you seeing it? You modify. Come here again. You click on 2387.40. You modify. Then our profits target. We got, check it out here. We have 2375.04. This one here, 2375.04. So you still logging back to MT4. Then on the right hand side, you have 2375.04. You modify. Again, we have 2375.04. Done. Now this is it. Currently we're on a loss. Okay. Everything is now set. So once the price hits this stop loss order, you will lose exactly this amount I just showed you right here on this calculator. The amount you risk, the amount now you're risking is just $76. Okay, so if that trade goes against you the way you don't expect, you will lose exactly $76 on each trade. Okay, now since you're taking two orders, remember you are just risking $76 per trade. Now since you took two orders, which is this, multiply, go to calculator, multiply 76 by 2. Are you seeing it? So which now means you are expected to lose a total of $152 on that trade. If this trade goes against your favor, you will lose this exact amount, $152. But if it goes in your favor, you are expected to make a profit target of sorry about that. I think we have a network glitch here. So that's that. So I believe we come to the end of today's class. If you have any question or anything you're still confused about, you can drop a comment in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like the button, like the video, and please subscribe to our channel for more trading tips. Thanks for your attention. I remain Vickiano. God bless you.